Hi, yes, it's still me, and yes, I still do have this haircut, okay? And it's going to stay this way for a while, just as I'm going to be talking about this game for a while. I hope you are not going to get bored. I hope you are okay with this. Do let me know if not, okay? And, well, I'm going through these restaurants and looking at some interesting words, especially those that are difficult to pronounce or difficult to spell. So the last time I talked about the word dough, okay? But wait, there is more. How do you think this word is pronounced? It's pronounced recipe. What is a recipe? A recipe is a set of instructions that you follow in order to cook something, especially if you don't remember how to cook. And a recipe book is a book full of recipes.